The Smart Meter Grant Project was introduced for the first time in the 2024-2025 budget with an allocation of 2 billion rand, targeting 71 municipalities in 3 years. By installing the smart meters, the aim is to improve revenue collection, reduce electricity losses, and give consumers real-time data on usage, empowering them to manage their own consumption more effectively. Sadesh Ramchadan is the Director of Local Government at the National Treasury and says the program is already showing positive results with 18 municipalities covered in the first year.
The municipality that is under intervention is Inokajima in the Eastern Cape. The 8 municipalities that we targeted last year was Bela Bela, Modimole, Mokopong, Makana, Salt Plaiki. The 2 municipalities that we went into detail is Salt Plaiki and Bela Bela. And we could see that the installation of the smart meter in these spaces have helped these municipalities with payment to Eskom. And these municipalities have also received the 1/3 write-off for good performance, the 1/3 debt write-off.
The National Treasury is looking to expand the program this year, bringing more municipalities on board and expanding the scope.
In the first year, we've only targeted single-phase electricity meters in households. We've changed the framework in DORA in this current year to include water meters, include single-phase electricity, 3-phase electricity, as well as CT meters. We also have realized that targeting the 3-phase and the large power users within the municipal space is also a bigger benefit because they may be the bigger culprits in the space of municipalities.
500 million rand was spent in 2024-2025 for 8 municipalities, while 650 million rand is targeted for the second year, with 800 million rand in the final year. The money is an indirect grant paid to service providers, not the municipalities directly.
We implement in the space of the municipality, but we pay the service providers directly. The 7 service providers are Vodacom, MTN, CGCell, Landesangria, Isandiso, African Metering Solutions, and Conlog.
As the project moves into the second phase, the National Treasury says it has not been a smooth sail in some municipalities with resistance from community members.
We found that some municipalities have been very poor at doing the proper consultation. And then once the installation started, the service providers experienced resistance from the community. So in this current year, we've made a conscious decision that there's a few pre-installation activities that need to take place. And one of them is to make sure that there's a proper public consultation. And I think it dovetailed with the budget process and the budget consultation in the municipalities, so that when we go out and roll these smart metering, we don't have the resistance.
Community members have been urged to rally behind the project as the country looks to modernize electricity management in the coming years, with 11 municipalities targeted for the next phase, including Ndumeni, Inokmgijima, and Gauteng's Mogale City. Katlego, Legodi, SABC News in Johannesburg.